Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to see if a Facebook page is running Facebook ads. So, let's get started. First, open your Facebook page. Once you're on the page, tap on About. Next, click See All on Page Transparency section. This section provides information about the page, including its creation date, name changes, and more. Look for the ads from this page section, and here you'll see a link that says Go to Ad Library. Click on this link to be taken to the Facebook Ad Library. In the Facebook Ad Library, you can browse all the ads that the page is currently running. You can filter the ads by country, platform, and more to get a comprehensive view of their advertising strategy. But since our page is not yet running ads, of course, it will appear over here that this page is not currently running ads. And that's it. Now you know how to see if a Facebook page is running ads. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.